Hey, welcome to 1 Minute Excel. Tonight we're going to look at the concatenate formula, which is great for combining various cells of data or text with custom fields if you need. And all it is really selecting your first, second, and however many text cells you want using the concatenate, or we can use the Ampersand shortcut, which we'll look at now. Just going to clear the data here. So let's look at the first one where we have student details and we've got results, but they're kind of mixed. You've got symbols and scores, so we're going to find a way to make it a little bit more uniform using concatenation first. So you say equals concatenate, open parentheses, let's select the first cell here. We're going to go symbol first, comma, and I'm going to put a custom field here. I'm going to say open quotation marks, space, dash, space, close quotations, comma. Second one is going to be the score, close parentheses. You can see now we've got the symbol and the score. And I copied it down, but you can see here we're actually going to flip the cells because it had the score and symbol, and we're going to flip it so that it shows symbol and score. So now we can get the exact same results in a much shorter amount of time by just using the ampersand sign. Now all you do is you say equals, select the first cell you want, ampersand. Now we'll do the second data point, which we created as a custom field, ampersand again, which is almost like a comma in the concatenation formula. And copy it down here, and then let's go ahead and flip these cells for the last two over here, copy it down, and you can see now the results are the same. It's just a little bit quicker, more convenient to do it with the ampersand, but completely up to you. And that's a concatenation formula tutorial. Thanks.